how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So first of all, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply the method I have shown you or I have mentioned. So here, open your favorite browser, if it's Chrome or whatever browser you'd like to use. Then open Google Maps and wait for it to load. Then go to the search and type the United States. Type the United States in here. That's the country we are going to target in today's explanation because it's the best market out there, the best market for me at least, and I think it's the best market for a lot of people, and statistically it's the best market. So here, zoom in on the United States and make sure to choose a state or a city you would like to start with. So for example, I'm going to choose Dallas, for example, here, or Houston. I'm going to go for Houston here, and I'm going to zoom in on Houston, and I'm going to center it in the center of my laptop. Then I'm going to go to the search and type whatever kind of small business I'd like to search for. For example, auto repair. Here, type auto repair and click on search to see all of the auto repair businesses that are available in this area. And here you can see all of the business profiles. As you can see, we have here Mr. Transmission, Joey Myers, West Houston Auto Repair, Clear Lake. We have a lot of small business owners that we can reach out to, or we can take as our prospects and we can transform to our clients. So here I'm going to show you the criteria of the best prospects. So first of all, make sure to check the reviews. If they have more than 150 reviews, that means they are way out of our league. And also make sure to check if they have a sponsored written in their profile. If they have one, just make sure to avoid that profile because they already have someone taken care of their Google Maps profile. So let's just move on to the next prospect. Here we have Joey Myers Kia Service, and they have 44 reviews, but also they have a sponsored rating in their profile, so let's avoid this one as well. Here we have this one with more than 150 reviews. Let's avoid it. More than 150, 76, 69, 280, 509, 210, 126, and with no sponsored rating in the profile. So you can check this profile in here, and as you can see, let's check first if they have a website, and if they have one, first check the website if it needs any renovation to see if it's up to date or not. So here, this is their website, and as you can see, it's very old. They still have a COVID-19 plan. They have moved, and this is their new address, but they still have a COVID-19 plan, which means they are still their website is still old. It's from 2020, which means it's a very old website, and it's created by this Search Local Now digital online marketing agency. The marketing agency that created their website also needs a renovation in their website as well. As you can see, their website is very old. It's too much old. So here we can offer them, the first service we can offer them is renovating their website. Then let's move on to see if we can offer them the next service, which is removing the bad reviews from their profile. So let's scroll down to see if we can find a bad review that they would love to remove from their profile to clear their reputation. So here let's scroll down. You have 5-star reviews, 5. Scroll down until you find a 2-star review or a 1-star review. Then make sure to read that review and see if it's bad enough to use to convince them to remove it. So here, this is the first 1-star review. We have been using Suckit for decades. They were always friendly, reliable, and a fair price. Unfortunately, our latest experiences has forced us to find a new mechanic. About 6 months ago, we brought our vehicle in for a few repairs when we were informed that the slight shaking we were experiencing was due to the brake pads needing replacement. So we asked them to replace them. A few months later, our ABS and battery needed replacing, very costly, so they performed this repair as well. The last few weeks we noticed some sounds that seemed to be coming from the brakes, so we took it back in. They informed us that the rear brake pads and now rotors need replacing. Considering we were under the impression that the brake pads had already been replaced and recently completely changed our ABS without mention of the pads, we were pretty shocked. Something we thought was fixed has now become much more costly due to the rotor replacement. Needless to say, we took our vehicle to a new mechanic for this repair and will not be returning to Suckit. And this edit turns out the rotors did not need replacing. Makes me wonder how honest they were about the previous repairs. Very disappointing. So this is a very bad review to have on your Google Map profile. As you can see, it means that the business or the business owners or the ones that are working the stuff are liars, as you can see, as this client claims. And this is a response from the owner. We always strive for a 5-star experience, and obviously we feel a couple of stars short. Please let us know what we can do, because we like to bend over backwards to see what we can do to make this a 5-star visit next time. So they are very eager to remove this bad review or just to turn it to a 5-star review, as you can see. So you can use this as a winning card in order to convince them to purchase our service. And as I said in the beginning, guys, you won't need to learn any skill. You just go to fiverr.com and you can hire a freelancer to deliver all of the services instead of you doing them. So I guess, guys, you get the method of how you can deliver or how you can make money with this method. So just keep outreaching the clients or calling them in order to land a client or two. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.